welcome to Exploring Emerging Technologies for Lifelong Learning and Success. I'm Robin Sullivan, an online learning specialist with the Center for Educational Innovation at the University at Buffalo.
And I'm Cherie Van Putten, an instructional designer at the Center for Learning and Teaching at Binghamton University. Both of our organizations are members of the State University of New York system. Advances in technology have made it necessary for all of us to learn how to use online tools to communicate, collaborate, and create.
We also need to be able to critically evaluate information that we find online. Being able to learn independently is key to staying current with technology tools. Our goal for this MOOC is for you to adopt lifelong learning strategies to keep pace with technology change.
This MOOC contains 5 modules. You will identify strategies to become successful lifelong learners in Module 1. In Module 2, you will discuss online communication and collaboration and explore related technology tools. You'll begin to plan your e-portfolio in this module as well. In the 3rd module, you will look at tools that will help you express yourself creatively. And in the 4th module, you will explore resources to help you think more critically about media and material found on the internet. You will also put your finishing touches on your e-portfolio. And finally, in the last module, you will submit your e-portfolio for peer review. You will also summarize and reflect on your learning journey.
We will also form a learning community where you can share your learning and support your colleagues in the discussion forums.
All learners can complete activities in the course and earn digital badges.
A digital badge is simply a representation of your skill and accomplishment. On the surface, a badge just seems to be a pretty picture. Beneath the surface, a badge is much more complex. What makes a digital badge unique is the data packed inside. Each badge is made up of its image, the earner's personal information, and the evidence the badge represents. This combination ensures that each badge is unique and a true picture of your accomplishment. Digital badges allow learners in the MOOC to demonstrate progress towards becoming a lifelong learner. You can share your badges through your e-portfolio, your resume, and your social networks. Research shows that badging provides motivation for learning. They help you track your progress and may provide motivation to complete discovery exercises.
There are several types of badges in this course. Quest-level badges are awarded for the completion of discovery exercises. Community badges are awarded in the last module of this course through a peer voting process to those who provide outstanding levels of support in the course discussion forums. Mastery badges are awarded after completing the entire course. As you progress through this course, remember to check out the resources in the EmTechWIKI.
And we look forward to learning more about you in the discussion forums.